It is designed to help users improve their website's search engine ranking by analyzing various factors that affect SEO, such as keyword density, readability, metadata, and more. Here's how Yoast SEO works. Analysis. Yoast SEO analyzes the content of your website and provides suggestions on how to improve it for better SEO. Optimization. Based on the analysis, Yoast SEO provides specific recommendations to optimize your website's content, including title tags, meta descriptions, and keyword density. Readability. Yoast SEO also provides feedback on the readability of your content, including sentence length, use of passive voice, and more. Focus keyword. You can set a focus keyword for each page or post on your website, and Yoast SEO will analyze your content to ensure that the focus keyword is included in the right places and with the right frequency. XML sitemaps. Yoast SEO generates XML sitemaps, which make it easier for search engines to crawl and index your website. Overall, Yoast SEO is a valuable tool for website owners and content creators looking to improve their website's search engine ranking and drive more traffic to their site.